guys, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. BMW's preferred Z line of roadsters began with the quirky Z1 back in 1989, full with drop-down doors and also removable body panels. Then it had actually an intertwined minute of Z3 and Z8 acknowledgment, complied with by the arrival of the very first Z4 version, virtually 20 years ago. Ever since, we have actually seen 3 generations of Z4 roadsters, with the most up-to-date introduced in the summertime of 2018 with a fascinating return to a soft-top convertible roofing way of life after the predecessors retracting hardtop shenanigans. Even far better, some might say, it now also has a Magna Steyr, Austria-built brother or sister, the latest Toyota GR Supra. BMW doesn't mind the hate as they're made use of to it now. Just consider the crazy M2, M3, M4, 9, 7 collection, X7 LCI, and also XM layouts and say it isn't so, as well as remain to faithfully deal with the G29. Just lately, the 2023 model year got here in the USA with a common M sporting activity load as well as an extra effective 3.0-liter inline-6 engine to the tune of 382 horsepower. By the way, we have actually not even seen the Z4 LCI aka Life Process Impulse or a renovation, not to mention any type of ideas of changing it with a 4th generation. However, that is only legitimate in the real world, as across the online world we have Timothy Adry Emanuel, the digital musician better referred to as Adry 53 Customs on social media, that is back with something cool for his CGI Perry Plus along with HotCars. That would be the theoretical next generation Z4. And also we need to say it looks the part for either sticking out in the roadster group or driving die-hard followers ridiculous to the brink of running amok crying their outrage. Strangely enough, I feel it does so in a favorable means. Just consider the angular lines and then also study the quirkier designing information. To me, they just dress to form something spirited and also awesome at the same time. Thank you for watching. See you in our other videos.